So it's been a tiring week, really, and I made a lot of mistakes this week because I was the team leader for this duty, and some things are not endorsed to me, so I've made some mistakes. Nakakapagod and nakaka-stress ang week na to, but I want to focus on the blessings na natanggap ko this week because I thought matatanggal na ako sa scholarship ko because hindi umabot yung grades ko. I prayed and prayed to God na sana umabot yung grade ko, but sadly, hindi umabot yung grade ko. And maintain yung grade kasi sa scholarship namin. So, yun. Umasa na ako na hindi na ako makakatanggap, but then I received some news na kasama yung pangalan ko doon. So, kasama pa rin ako sa scholarship. So, yun, nagpunta ako ng simbahan to thank God for the blessings He continued on giving me. Kasi despite all these mistakes I've done, despite all these problems, kailangan mag-focus pa rin tayo sa kung ano ang maganda, ano yung positive na nakuha natin. That's all.